Hi ladies, so I'm laying down on my couch. I finally found the heartbeat on the Doppler last night, but I'm guessing since my uterus is so tilted still that it's not picking up the number, like the actual beats per minute. I can just hear it, so I manually counted it out, and it was about 160 to 170-ish. It was almost too fast for me to even count it, but I'm going to put my camera down, so you'll probably be staring at the ceiling, but I want you guys to hear it. I know it's the baby because it's like a little train. It's so fast. So let me find it. It moves around on me so much. 1 second it'll be over by my hip bone, and then another it'll be like in the middle. So it may take me a tiny bit to find it, but hold on 1 second and I'll show you guys the little baby heartbeat. Hold on 1 second. So let me turn this thing back on. That gel is everywhere. Hold on. Let me wipe the... I'm getting messy with my gel. Let me turn it back on. I'm going to try to find it. It moved because it's not in the same spot where I just tried. Yeah. Little stinker moved. Hope you guys can hear it. I moved, hold on. See, like it's picking it up, but it's not doing anything on the screen. So, we found the little Bambino's heartbeat. So that's very exciting. You know, if I can just manually count out. I don't know if something's wrong with my machine or if it's just so distant that it's not recording it properly. I don't know. But I found it on the, you can tell right there where I laid it. I feel like I have to push kind of hard. I don't know if you guys have to push hard, but I have to push down pretty hard on my stomach. It doesn't hurt or anything, but for me to be able to hear it, I, push down a little ways. But I'm excited. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Bye.